As the lockdown in the city eases and it somewhat returns to its old pace, migrant workers who had gone home before and after lockdown have started returning to the city in search of jobs. Even as the COVID-19 cases continue to rise, Mumbai is in its mission begin again phase to revive the economy. A May end news report said that close to 6.5 lakh migrant workers left Mumbai on special trains. Numerous others travelled by other means of transport and many walked long distances too. Midday met these migrants, some of whom left a few days ago in Shramik special trains only to be called back by employers who had offered to bear the travel cost. Long-distance train services that resumed on June 1st have had very few passengers arriving at Lokmanya Tilak terminus in the past 48 hours. Most of them being migrants, their families and patients of serious ailments from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and other states. A driver who had left the city last month said that at his hometown too they were struggling to get food and had enough ration only to survive for a few days. Now that vehicles are allowed on the road again, many others who work as drivers have returned to earn money and provide for their families. Most workers working for smaller businesses, bakeries, shops, restaurants and other places have returned hoping that they can resume work to earn a living. Many workers who had left before the lockdown began got stuck in their hometowns, struggling to make a living in the past few months. With no jobs in villages, most of them were left to fend for themselves. Experts say that migrant workers form a very important part of the system that keeps Mumbai's economy functioning. From driving auto rickshaws, taxis and app cabs to working at construction sites and at small and medium enterprises to helping shopkeepers carry out their normal everyday business. Without the migrant workers, it will be very difficult to fix the broken economic system of Mumbai and get it up and running again. Many people believe that having gone through the ordeal in Mumbai, they are unlikely to return. But chances are they will have to come back to Mumbai and other cities simply because there isn't much work in villages and states that they come from, like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha and so on. Well, the workers certainly form an important part of the economic system, and here's hoping that things look up for everyone in the next few weeks. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.